Good morning, everybody. My name is Mr. Dowell. I'm going to be your AP Psychology teacher, or I think I'm going to send this out to my Pathway students too. So I just wanted to send out a quick video so on the first day there's at least one face that you can say, hey, I know that guy. And you can say, hi, Mr. Dowell, I saw your video. So a little bit about me. I've been at JHS. This will be year 14, year 16 of teaching. I'm going to be in room 307, which is the blue area in the first floor, right in that main hallway. So pretty easy to see. So just want to, again, help you out that first day. A little bit about me, family. My wife teaches in the building too. Maybe some of you have had Mrs. Dowell for history. I got 3 kids. I got a 10-year-old named Tyson, a 7-year-old named Finn. I have a 2-year-old daughter named Isla, and I have a dog too, a chocolate lab. If you live in the area, you maybe have seen me walking him at odd hours of the day. I promise I'm not a weirdo or an axe murderer or anything. I just like to walk my dog late at night. So I teach AP Psych all day, 7 periods a day, so that's been my schedule for quite a while. It's a pretty popular class, so I really like it. What to expect this week? This week should be pretty easy. Wednesday, they're going to do some of the usual first day stuff, just, odds and ends. These are the rules, these are the whatever, and then we'll run our schedule. I think classes are going to be like 15 minutes. Early dismissal on Wednesday, so that's pretty cool. First day of school, early dismissal. And then Thursday, Friday, we'll have 45-minute classes. I don't think we'll get an AP Psych into anything heavy academic-wise probably into next week. Maybe bring your bag on, well, maybe you bring it every day, but maybe bring your bag on, Thursday and Friday, because I'll probably send you home with a textbook one of those days. But otherwise, we'll do a lot of the usual, just kind of, we got to figure out names and just kind of get to know each other a little bit, and just the usual beginning of the year stuff, and try to do a few fun things too as well. So materials, what should you bring to class? Nothing too fancy, something to write with, something to write on, papers and pens, and pencils are good. Later this year, if you don't have any, a set of headphones might be nice. Sometimes we have days where you're watching a video, and so having a set of headphones would be good. If you really want to, be super helpful, you could bring Kleenex. You guys know the drill. You're seniors, we run out of those quick, and I can only buy so many. I feel like I can't keep them in stock. So feel free to bring things like Kleenex or something like that that people can use. So feel free to email me with questions, or you could put questions down below in the video, and I'll try to get to those. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in 48 hours or less. So I'm super excited. I've had a great summer hanging out with my kids, but it's been nice. It's been recharging, but I think I'm ready to go. I think I'm ready to get back at it. So I probably ought to shave before the first day, but otherwise, I'm ready to get back at it. So hopefully you are too. Enjoy those last few moments of summer. Get some sleep, rest up, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Thanks, guys. Bye.